What's been your favorite part of the game? What's been your favorite part of the game? What's been your favorite moment of the game?
Probably the 3 fucking goals we scored.
The best part of the game was the 4-minute stretch that we scored 2 goals back to back. That was insane, unmatched.
I'm gonna have to go with the goals too. The last one was crazy as well.
My favorite part of the game was when the second goal got scored right in a row, and it was right there, and that was epic.
I think the last two, like one after another, was awesome.
What are you most excited for today?
I love the team. They're doing great. And I love our students and all the fans. Go Huskies!
What are your expectations for the rest of the game?
I think we're gonna sing Stacy's mom, and that's all that matters.
The hopes for the rest of the game is that they win. Shutout would be great.
What kind of energy do you think Pep Band brings to the game tonight?
I think Pep Band, everyone's here to have fun. We're going crazy. We're supporting the doghouse, leading the chants, just supporting the team.
What's your favorite chant?
When we're short-handed and we clear the puck, we wave our hands in a circle and we yell, "Go fetch, bitch."
Who's your favorite player?
I don't know, I think it's a tie. I don't know.
Between the whole team?
Yeah, whole team, they're all so good.
What impact do you think Beanpot has on our Northeastern community?
It showcases, the spirit of Northeastern, the spirit of our students, the spirit of the community.
Anything else you want to add?
Go Dogs!